Hello and welcome to Rao's IAS Study Circle. Now, all of you are aware of the fact that we are living in completely unprecedented time. However, notwithstanding the current pandemic, we hope that you are continuing your preparation for the civil service examination. Actually, all the serious aspirants must continue preparation so that they stay ahead of the competition. Now, if you are someone who is preparing for the UPSC examination of 2022, we have an important announcement for you. Rao's IAS is starting its live online classes for General Studies Integrated as well as optional subjects from 4th of June. If you're someone who's still confused between offline and online classes, let me quickly help you with key features of Rao's IAS live online classes. First and foremost is Rao's IAS live online classes bring classroom experience to your home. Now we expect our classes to be interactive. Whenever you have any kind of doubt, you should be in a position to raise your hands and ultimately ask your query from the teachers. Or you should also be in a position to learn when your peers or fellow students ask any doubt from the teacher. We have actually recreated the same experience in our live online classes. Actually, there is no difference between Rao's IAS live online classes and offline classes other than the fact that you share a virtual space with the teachers as well as students. Everything else is exactly the same. Now, if you take into consideration of the feedback from our students of previous years who have subscribed our live online classes, then they have also highlighted few additional benefits. The first interesting benefit is that you get video backup. Now, in case if you miss any class, there is a backup which is available in your account for 7 more days. You can utilize that classes in order to cover the topic that you might have missed or for simple revision. Second important aspect is this is very effective as well and efficient. Why I say efficient? Because it saves your precious time, energy and money as well. And third important aspect is in this time of pandemic, this is the safest mechanism through which you can study as well. So these are the important features. Now, if you want to understand how live online classes are conducted and how they're interactive, there is a link in the description of the video which will take you to the video of live online classes. There is also a link in the description of the video which will take you to the review or the feedback of the students who subscribe to our live online classes. Next important aspect is of time. Now, if you are seriously preparing for the UPSC examination of 2022, now is the right time to start preparing for the examination. Do not let this health crisis hamper your preparation for the examination. Now, in case if you are someone who wants to interact with the teachers, you want to understand how to actually choose optional subject or which one to choose, or you want to understand how live online classes will actually take place, Rao's IAS is conducting its optional orientation session on 22nd and 29th of May respectively. You can register on the link which is there on Rao's IAS website. The address of the website is www.raoias.com. You can register yourself and you can attend free classes. These counseling sessions will provide you a unique opportunity to meet, interact and learn with Rao's IAS teachers. Lastly, we at Rao's IAS are committed to give you best guidance and academic support to prepare for this examination. So what you should do, you should join this session, interact with our teachers and quick start your preparation with a team of best teachers from the Civil Service Test Prep. From the entire team of Rao's IAS, we wish to see you on the other side.